The BoxMLS search bar is your quick tool to get around the application. Type in any address to get a specific property, or street name like Guerrero to find recent MLS activity. If you're interested in an area or neighborhood, like the Marina in San Francisco, just type it in. Or if you're looking for a city like Santa Rosa, you can get it located on the map very quickly. Say your clients are interested in properties by a certain zip code, or even all of Sonoma County. You can even search for an MLS number. All of this is available on your website, desktop, tablet, and mobile. Thanks for using BoxMLS.